In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for kids. If you're putting together a fun worksheet, a colorful story page, or a playful learning activity, Canva can make the whole process much easier. The key is to approach it with bright visuals, simple layouts, and text that's easy for children to read. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to set up a kid-friendly design from start to finish in a way that feels creative, organized, and easy to manage. To begin, open your web browser and go to canva.com, then log into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right and click Create a Design. From there, choose the format that fits your project best. If you're making printable worksheets or coloring pages, a document size like A4 or US letter works well. If you're creating digital story slides, a presentation layout is a better choice. Once your blank canvas opens, the next step is to create a bright, cheerful background. Click on the canvas, then go to the top toolbar and select the background color option. Choose a color that feels playful and clear, such as soft yellow, sky blue, or pastel green. Bright backgrounds help create energy, but it's also a good idea to keep them light enough so that your text and graphics still stand out clearly. Now it's time to add visuals. On the left side, click Elements, then use the search bar to look for playful graphics. Search terms like cute cartoon animal vector, whimsical doodle, kids watercolor rainbow cutout, or playful geometric border can help you find fun options faster. When you see something you like, drag it onto the canvas and place it where it fits naturally. Try not to overcrowd the page. Giving images a little room helps the design feel clean and easier for kids to focus on. Next, add your text by clicking Text on the left and choosing Add a Text Box. Type your title or activity prompt, then use the top toolbar to change the font. Friendly, rounded fonts like Fredoka 1, Quicksand, or Chewy are great choices because they feel fun and are easier for young readers to follow. To make the words stand out even more, open effects and apply a style like splice or outline. A darker outline around bright text can improve readability and give the design a playful look. If you want to create more than one page, move to the bottom area near the page thumbnails and click the duplicate page icon. This copies your current layout so you can keep the same style while swapping out the main graphics or text for the next activity page. Before downloading, do a quick final check. Move your elements around and watch for Canva's alignment guides to help keep everything centered and balanced. Keep titles short so the layout stays neat. When you're ready, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for digital use or PDF. Print for high-quality physical printing, then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.